Yeah, anyone,
I'm
any
talking
common
an
man.
example as a common man.
Yes, you can take me like a common man, no problem. Right?
I will
So,
talk to you as a conservation. Like a convocation like that. Means
uh-huh. Okay.
two are talking like that.
Yeah, you can do that, no problem. Yeah.
Bro, how you saving your money? I ask like that.
Yeah, you can make it like a conversation. That's okay, no problem.
How I
Yeah.
save how you saving your money?
Me,
How you saving your money?
I have a person who takes care of my money.
You have a person.
Mm.
Means that person will will give you interest or any advantages whenever you take
I'll
any
ask.
technologies.
You mean that person directly to me, or the systems that person
Means
uses?
when you are giving the money to some person,
Mm.
that person is saving your money. You are telling that.
He's working on my money actually. Yeah, in the sense, yes, including saving. Yeah.
Including saving. You
Yes.
are telling that.
Mm.
Means person is not up to 100 years. Something has been happened.
Soon he'll die.
Yeah.
He's an old man.
Anytime.
You know?
I am telling that. I'm telling the conservation to you.
Mm. It is not conservation.
No,
It is conversation.
Conversation.
Yeah. Okay.
Conversation to you.
Mm.
I'm telling the conversation to you.
Okay.
Means he will not stay to 100 years. No, bank will stay so many years.
Okay. Now. Okay. Let us assume
bank
that
will
a bank stays forever.
Forever.
Okay. Right.
Okay.
Now tell me how that bank functions.
How
The
the
process.
bank
What is the process of?
Whenever you save the money
Mm.
in the bank,
Mm.
they will take your money.
Mm-hmm.
You are giving loan to the bank. You are giving loan to the bank.
Okay.
They will pay the interest to you.
Okay.
They will pay the interest to you. Means you are keeping the ideal money in your beer wall like that.
Okay.
You are keeping ideal money in your home.
Mm-hmm.
Why are you keeping the ideal money in your home? You are keeping it in the bank. Means they will give the 2.5% interest, 3% interest. You will get no.
Mm.
Whenever you also think like that, I will give to other person, it will give the 12% interest rate. Why not? You are giving other person 12% interest rate. Is he or she might be give 100% to you? No. 100% he will give or not, you don't judge like that.
Yeah.
He is giving the interest. Interest means he will give 100% or not. You don't judge like that, no? That's what that I am talking. It means that bank will give you 100% assurance.
Okay.
Assurance
Mm-hmm.
means whenever it will not give, the means one man has a father. He will take all the responsibility from the child onwards. Whenever the bank will not give something, there is a ombudsman is there, banking ombudsman process. We have to complain them, or so many members has to complain on the bank. RBI will take a RBI will take a punishment on the bank.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So you have spoken about how I get money if I put my money in the bank, but how a bank gets money? Because if the bank has to give money to me, then the bank has to get the money, right?
Yeah.
How a bank
That is
gets
also
money?
like that only. You people who are knowing that bank is very good to us, the financial inclusion, where the process means so many members are not saving, they are saving the money in the room. Something,
No, it's not about financial inclusion. How a bank generates money? How a bank? What are the sources of income for a bank?
Yeah, I'm telling that one only. Bank generates money is in the form of lending.
Okay.
And accepting the money from the people, deposits. Whenever the bank accept the money from the people, they lend the money.
Okay.
They lend the money to other institutes. There is the checks and balances in the bank. That's why he is taking the money from others and lending to the others. He is taking the money from the others and lending to you. Like that only the process will go on.
What is the typical difference in between the interest rates that a bank gives to its customers and it takes from its lenders, or what we say,
Is there means this is the good question. Whenever the bank is taking from you, they will pay very less interest rate. Whenever the bank is giving to the other person, lender, they will take the high interest rate. Here the difference is Means there is a current account, savings accounts will be there.
Mm.
They will pay the less amount. Current account is zero interest they will pay. Current account is business accounts.
Mm-hmm.
They will pay zero interest.
Mm.
For savings account, now the SBI is paying 2.7% interest rate.
SBI is paying
2.7% interest
to
rate.
whom?
To the people who are depositing the money in the bank.
Means to its customers.
SBI is paying to its customers. People who are depositing the money into.
Then if SBI gives loans to some
Yeah, they are
fools,
taking
you know,
that to
yeah.
13% like that.
Mm-hmm.
Here only the difference is they have to give the salaries to the people.
Mm.
They have to give the means the bank liabilities will be there.
My question is,
Okay.
if I take a bank like State Bank of India,
Okay.
what is the difference, typical difference? What could be the typical difference in between the interest rate that is given by SBI to its customers
Okay.
and the interest rate that is given to SBI by the people or institutes?
There is a 10% different rate.
10%.
Minimum 10%.
Minimum 10%.
Yeah.
Oh, that is the answer to my
That is
question.
minimum 10%.
Then why are you not answering my question straight?
That is 10%.
Yeah, you could simply
Yeah.
straight you could say 10%. That's all. Why are you giving me stories instead of saying 10%? Okay, that's all. My question was
Okay.
this, and my answer is 10%. I didn't know that. That's why I'm asking. Okay, right?
Minimum 10%, I think up to 18% like that also it will be.
Ah, yes, this is the answer. See, the answer is minimum 10%, and it could go up to 18%. That's it. That is the answer. That's all. Right? So this is the thing.
I tell the process, whole process I told that.
Who asked you?
Okay.
Okay, and in fact, in the previous question, I actually talked about process.
Process, okay.
Okay, right?
That's only I am
and in that process, this aspect was missing, and hence this question came.
Okay.
Okay, so the thing is, you need